Hi students, welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to solve the numericals in a JEE Mains as well as a NET. Before going to start the topic, now let's take one important statement given by Edmund Hillary. And Edmund Hillary is the first person who climbed the Mount Everest. And according to him, then he used to say that it is not a matter and it is not that much big deal to climb the Mount Everest. Then what is the big deal? The real big deal is clearing the small obstacles and small hills and bushes before going to climb the Mount Everest. Means what is that? And if you want to clear that, if you want to climb the Mount Everest, first of all you should have to clear the basic obstacles of what it is going on. And now let us see let us compare the same the Mount Everest with not of course JEE Main as well as NEET, and relevantly we will take that. And so first of all what we have to do, we have to clear the basics. And what is the first step of this one? First you should have very good knowledge, not very good knowledge in the basic mathematics, and you need not to become any masters or experts in this basic mathematics, but you should notice the minimum fundamental operations which are present in the basic mathematics, like trigonometry and integration in sense that is differentiation, calculation and logarithms. These all things at least basics you should know. First of all clear the basic mathematics. And the second step is, in the second step this is about then follow this rule. What is this? This rule is, this rule tells you that and given find formula procedure. What does that mean? Given find formula procedure, it tells you that, and once if any one sum is given, one numerical is given, first of all by seeing the numerical you have to analyze what is given. After given you have to go through that what you have to find, and to find what formula you have to apply. And the last one is procedure or calculation. That process we have to take for that. And next one is the number of books what we require. Basically we require and 3 books, 2 plus 1. What are those 2 plus 1? 2 standard books you take and 1 compulsory previous year solved question papers book. In the market so many books are available, that is previous years and 50 years of previous years questions, 30 years previous year question papers. Those all things just you can go with one Arihant publications book. So many are available in the market, and 2 standard books you take. What are the 2 standard books? Apart from your college material or institute material, just you go through that 2 standard materials. For example, and H.C. Verma sir's book and D.C. Pandey sir's book or Sharma sir's book, any 2 books you take, depending upon your interest and how you are feeling comfort with those books. Choose any 2 standard materials enough. Don't go more than that. 2 standard materials enough, and those 2 should then satisfy that theory as well as numericals also. Okay, that is 2 books and 1 previous year question papers book. And now what is the preparation method? The next preparation method we can go for that. First, now let us go with the first standard book. First standard book you go through that, and while going through that one write your own notes. It is most important. It is most important. You have to prepare your own notes, and again keep another book. In that one write formulas. The formula you should write. Use color pens then for highlighting the formulas, terms, those all things. Because the mind depending upon the colors also, the mind perception and receiving will be different. So try to use more colors, and so they will sink in your brain easily. And the second one is, first you have completed one standard material, and afterwards go to the switch and you have prepared your own material. Now switch to the second standard material and again prepare your own material, and here there will be no difference, will be there slight difference is there. But why it is preferred to go for 2 standard books is, then it will be one sort of revision. Once after getting one material, then once second when you are reading the second book immediately, then what will happen, and the familiarity with the terms and concepts will becomes to the brain very easily. So the complete concept will absorbs by you. And the second one is, then you should write the formulas on any one just paper, and just use color pens to highlight those all formulas. and afterwards and paste that paper in front of your study chair. For example, this is when I am sitting here. If it is I am sitting here, the study chair is there. In front of me wall is there. At the wall I should paste that one. Okay. So that is the next one is. And so you got some knowledge, very good knowledge about the theory as well as the numericals. Now don't switch immediately to solve the numericals. You will get disappointed. Okay, no? Then what should do? Now go through the previous year question papers book you bought now, and from that book, first of all, take that book and randomly you choose 5 to 10 questions, and in that 5 to 10 questions, after choosing that, and just see the numerical, and again just see the what is the procedure of the solving. Means first of all you have to analyze what is the standard of the question, and after seeing the question, then you have to go through the solution, how the solution has been given. Then what are the steps is involved, what are the formulas, how the formulas have been applied, and what are the mathematical operations have been done. Those all things just go through very keenly. So like that 5 to 10 questions you get it, and now you close the book and now go to the first level of your your institute material, or if you have any DBPs, or if you just the 2 standard materials are there, in that one level 1 questions will be there, and go through those level 1 questions. Let us take randomly some 20 questions. Now you will be able to solve only 5 questions, nothing to worry about it. You will be able to solve only 5 questions. Just take a pause, take a 5 minutes of break, and now again open the book. Remaining out of 15, just go through again the remaining 15 also. In that 15, then what you have to do that one. This time you will be able to do remaining 5 to 8 questions you will be able to do. Okay, and remaining the out of 20, then you solved 8 questions. Then what about remaining 8 questions? Nothing to worry. Go through the, just open the solutions and see the solutions. In the solution, how the solution has been given. Now you keep one very important book for the mistakes what you have done. Because of what mistake, either you are not able to solve this sum, maybe the reason, then you may not able to identify what is the sum is, what is the data given. The second one, you may not able to identify what is the formula, and the third one, you may not able to do the calculation properly. These all mistakes you write clearly in one book. These are we are calling as the weakness, and these corners you have to focus more. So these corners are there, these weak corners you have to stress where you are lagging, and that lagging part you have to stress more. Then what will happen now? Then now remaining 10 questions also you will be able to solve those. Now what you have to do? Now you go for the second level, and the second level the same procedure. First go through that and again try to solve the as many numericals as, afterwards again try, and afterwards find. Like this sequence when you are following, no, then what will happen at the end of the day, then you will be able to, out of 20 questions or 50 questions, maximum your success rate will be 90+%. Okay, got it? This is the procedure you have to do. And afterwards last one is, then as soon as after completing this, so analyze the mistakes, go to the next level and revise all the formulas once in a week. It makes you should give in your timetable weekly once. In the weekly once, compulsory only for the recapitulation. In that week what you have learnt. So that entire part, then don't go for any new topics that day. Completely revise what you have learned that week, and revise those all, and again practice those all, and check once where you are and where is your standard of preparation, those all things. And last one, the most important one is, then randomly just choose, I am telling you about any one particular topic. Once after, don't switch the topics in between that. Once you are very much thorough with one chapter, one topic, then only you should switch to the next topic. In the meanwhile, what you have to do that, and just take one test by choosing a randomly 25 questions from that chapter. For example, if you are just discussing about, when you are preparing about any mechanics, and any one chapter you take, Newton's laws of motion, and in that one, then you just take the test, completely one test, pick up randomly 25 questions, and set the time, and do those 25 sums in this time frame, and you observe how much time it has been taken, because we have to complete within an hour. You practice like that, because time also one of the very important factor in the JEE as well as NEET. And so this is what exact the preparation, and ultimately again once recollect this, what is the exact property, the procedure of solving any numerical is, that is this is. And first of all, by seeing the sum, you should identify what is given, and then what is the formula you have to apply, and what is the then given, what is the find, you have to take it, what you have to find, and to find this, what formula you have to apply, and then procedure or calculation. Okay, this is about academics part. And then coming to the remaining parts, first of all, in this span of preparation of these all things, be honest, and be positive, and again be in a good mind. Don't be with the negative mind thinking people, and you don't go with those all things, because those may disturb your concentration levels. And the second one is, and if possible, go for anyone relaxation techniques like music, listening music, those all things. Don't play again mobile games, because that gives still some more stress to your brain. Don't go those all. Take one good food. Okay, these all things will helps you and to get the best rank. And one more very important thing is, once your effort is sincere and honest, an invisible energy also supports you. That's for sure. It has been proven. If your effort is sincere and honest, an invisible energy, which we are calling as God, God also will support us. Okay, now I hope that this session is very much helpful for you, and support me, Nana, and wish you all the best.